Hello everyone. So if you want to remove a phone number from one or all Gmail accounts on your Android, here's how to do that. First of all, we gotta open up any kind of Google service, or you can do this through the settings. Let's do this through the settings. So open up your settings, then scroll down to your accounts and privacy section. Accounts and backup, I'm sorry. Then tap on manage accounts. Now choose your Google account and let's tap on Google account. So there we are. Here we gotta press on personal info. Then scroll down and locate your phone number. So you can have many phone numbers. And first of all, do not forget to see if this is the correct Google account, right? Because you don't want to remove a random phone number from a random Google account. Let's tap on our phone section. Now locate the desired phone number which you want to remove, right? So for example, we want to remove this one. Simply tap on it. Here you gotta scroll down and you gotta tap on this trash icon. There it is. Press remove number. The phone number removed. Easy as that. So repeat these steps for every phone number which you wish to remove. Let's remove one more. Let's press remove. Now you can update the page. This number will be nowhere to be found, and basically that is it. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.